We are the Group 6 and today we will discuss about the carboxylic acid reactions, namely the reactions with electropositive metals, the neutralization reactions, reduction, and the formation of carboxylic acid derivatives. So come with us as we delve into these chemical reactions. So first, let's look over the reaction with electropositive metal. So we have right here carboxylic acid which reacts with sodium, and then it forms a sodium ethanoate and a hydrogen gas. Next, we have the second example. This one right here is a benzenoic acid, which reacts with sodium, forming a sodium benzanoate and another hydrogen gas.
So next is the reaction neutralization. Neutralization is the reaction between acid and base to form a salt. So carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide and it will form the sodium ethanoate, which is salt, and also water. There are another example of this is example of base of which is sodium carbonates and also sodium bicarbonates. The difference between the reaction of acid and sodium hydroxides and will form only salt and salt and water, but reaction between acid and sodium carbonate and also sodium bicarbonate will form CO2 and also water. So this is the example of ethanoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide and it forms sodium ethanoate and also water. The next is we are going to talk at the reduction reaction. First is the reduction of carboxylic acid with reducing agent 1 Roman lithium aluminum hydride 2 Roman H3O plus. It will form a primary alcohol, but when alcohol undergoes oxidation through strong oxidizing agent, it will form back a carboxylic acid.
So now we are going to look at the formation of carboxylic acid derivative to acyl chloride. So this carboxylic acid react with these three reagents. It will form the same product with this acyl chloride but different side products. So this is the example. Ethanoic acid react with one of the reagents and it will form ethanoic chloride. The second is the formation of carbolic acid to acid hydride. So there are two carboxylic acid react with acid chloride, and also the second one is carboxylic acid react with carboxylic acid. So for this second equation, carboxylic acid, they will eliminate H2O by the OH from the second carboxylic acid and the rest will be coded together. And also the first one, they will eliminate HCl from carboxylic H from carboxylic acid and Ci from acid chloride, and the rest will be coded together at the O.
Next is the reaction of carboxylic acid to form amine. The first one is the reaction of carboxylic acid with amine. It will form primary amide, and the second one is the carboxylic acid react with primary amine, and it will form secondary amide. The last one is the carboxylic acid react with secondary amine, and it will form tertiary amide. The water is eliminated the same way, which is from the OH and one hydrogen from the amine. The last one is the reaction of carboxylic acid with alcohol. So the reaction of carboxylic acid with alcohol is also known as esterification, as ester is formed at the end of the product. So water is eliminated from OH, from carboxylic acid, and hydrogen from alcohol through the condition with sulfuric acid and heat. So that would be all for the reaction of carboxylic acid.